Hello folks, so today I went on Scratch. I found a weird animation on it called cat.avi. It was just a well-known Scratch cat walking in a loop, which was strange to say the least, but he looked very monotone, very sorrow, very depressed. I wonder what the animation was over time. Over time, the animation gets, to say, more and more fucked up. Things started happening with my computer. My computer started glitching out, and I was getting scared. So I stopped. So I shut down my computer, and then on it said the cat is after you. That scared me. Have any of you experienced this? Let me know about it in the comments, and like and subscribe.